This autumn, it literally sets your heart on fire. Dozens of new products you're sure to fall in love with. Completely redesigned product lines that help make the world a better place. The FM World Product Catalogue number 37. Another step forward. Autumn will be definitely more beautiful with the new Aurile selection series with perfect rich tastes and aromas of brand new coffees and teas that envelope the senses. We have traveled the whole world to find unique flavors and aromas on small local plantations and bring you as many as 9 specialty coffees and 5 premium teas. Aurile selection is more than just coffee and tea. These are unique blends for every mood and aromas from beautiful far-flung corners of the world. Flavors and feelings enclosed in small, elegant FM boxes. Enjoying the gifts of nature with admiration and respect. Make your home a lot cleaner and the world a little greener. New Smart&Clean Bio series will allow you to introduce impeccable cleanliness into the kitchen, bathroom or living room without compromise. Smart&Clean Bio means convenient washing machine tablets in small packages. Smart&Clean Bio means different purpose cleaning tablets you can buy separately. Smart&Clean Bio means eco-friendly wet wipes dermatologically tested to ensure they are safe for your hands. Smart&Clean Bio means eco-friendly laundry detergent sheets that dissolves completely in the washing machine. Smart&Clean Bio means biodegradable trash bags that decompose within 90 days. Easy to store, easy to use, safe for all of us. Less plastic, more life. Among the novelties, an absolutely perfect foaming shower gel. Gentle, velvety, extremely efficient. Just one drop to experience a luscious velvety foam that washes your entire body. Another magnificent product with 3 of your favorite fragrances to delight your senses. Meet the beautiful and classy Pure Royal Perfume Atomizers with a 10 ml reservoir. Enjoy your favorite fragrance anytime and anywhere. Stay chic, don't give up on your signature scent. Slip it into your pocket or handbag. When designing the atomizers, we took care of the smallest details. The engraved perfume logo, each color shade, and beautiful classic shape of the petite bottle. Our NutriCode food supplements family you love so much is also growing. There are 5 new products in this series in the catalogue number 37. Probiotic protein cocktail, perfect for people involved in sports. It combines high protein concentrate and bacteria with probiotic properties. NutriCode Ginkgo biloba with a daily dose of ginkgo biloba extract, a powerful antioxidant that supports concentration, the nervous system, as well as vision and hearing. NutriCode Q10 Ubiquinol is a daily dose of valuable coenzyme Q10 in the active form of ubiquinol. It has anti-aging properties, positive effect on metabolism, as well as the cardiovascular, immune and nervous systems. Hair Daily Care NutriCode contains bioactive ingredients that support hair growth and nourishment. It improves the quality of weak and loss-prone hair. Ginseng NutriCode is an extract from the root of Siberian ginseng, which supports the immune system and helps to maintain physical and mental performance. It reduces fatigue and tiredness. There will be as many as 10 new fragrances: 935, 936, 937, 938, 939, 940, 941, 942, 943 and 944. The latest FM World Product Catalogue means more convenience. Search for products thanks to its online format and find out everything you need to know about them. Reduced volume of the catalogue, increased number of products. You can now find what you're looking for more easily. Products you know well, plus 63 new items you will fall in love with. Fragrances, skincare, makeup, moments of relaxation with Aurile, clean home. Less paper, less plastic. More healthy for you and the planet. Discover the catalogue number 37 from FM World.